What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. Look at the market performance for the past 24 hours, because a lot of people, guys, are gonna be surprised. A lot of people were expecting one thing, and like I've been saying way before today, the other thing happened. Then we look at our positions, guys, to see if we are going down, up, or even sideways. Again, guys, I do this every day just to give me a general idea on my next move. If I want to add on my position, if I want to take profits and stuff like that. Also, we got to look on the prices, okay? Prices of the assets that we are trading in this My Millionaire journey, which are King Casper, Quant, and Jasmine. Those are the ones that I choose to leverage trade on this 2024-2025 bull run. So yeah, we're about to look in details on those prices too. But again, before we continue, we're about to look at everything. Excuse me. We're about to look at this. Everybody else saying, you know, okay, we got Casper launching the KRC20. It's dusted and done. Okay, the price is not going anywhere. So now what? Let me address this problem. Let's take, for example, excuse me. Let's take, for example, Solana. When that shitcoin launched, not many people were trading Solana. It stayed there $8-9 or something like that. Even I think it went lower than that for a little while. They announced their smart contracts. Price did not move for probably like what, 2-3 months. It didn't move. I can tell you that Casper is different because, one, a lot of people, there is much more people now that know about cryptocurrency than they did when Solana or Ethereum launched. That's the point number one. Number two, go look at when the KRC20 launched. 24 hours later, okay, in a single day, Casper processed about what, how many millions of transactions in a single day. So you can look at it without even crashing. That shows you that Casper can handle the volume. That's number two. Now, number three, for me, is the most important part. The question is, what is your vision? Okay, Casper has proved itself. The proof of concept is there. The tokenomics are there. You see the way the team is working, and you have been achieving everything slowly. Again, like I said, before Casper was on testnet. Now, for me, Casper finally launched. In the upcoming months, we will see development. Not even upcoming months, because right now projects have started building up. Okay, the big cherry on this, the icing on this cake is going to be the announcement of the stable coins, which, like again, I'm telling you guys, they've already they said they let a bombshell out the other day when they said they already excuse me, they are already talking with different pools, and now they're about to introduce not something new. They're about to introduce USDT and USDC, okay, into the Casper network using Casplex, okay, in inscriptions. Like I said, now you got to look at yourself. What is your vision for Casper? Are you just going to be like these guys that say, you know what, I am going to buy Casper, whatever the price is at the top of this bull run, which again nobody knows, then I'm going to sell? Are you going to be that kind of person? Or are you going to be like me, guys? I have 524,000 coins. You guys already know that. You need to have your plan, because I know I missed on Bitcoin, Okay, I missed on Ethereum when they launch and stuff like that. I am not going to miss on Casper. I hold Bitcoin, I hold Ethereum, but my conviction is more with Casper. The reason is, again, my vision, like the way I see Casper, I think Casper is going to be number one in the crypto market cap. Give it by 2030 or 2032, thereabout, you're going to see Casper taking number one or number two in the market cap. And then you will see Casper above $400-500. Okay, from now, if you look at the pricing, okay, I still maintain this run, we're about to see Casper at $10 or even above that. I still maintain that because Casper is a $400 billion market cap coin. That's what we're about to see. Now, for me, short term, again, like I told you guys, I'm not gonna sell my coins. I'm not doing that. All I would do is like out of the 524,000, I'll probably sell 100,000 at the top of this coin of this bull run. Excuse me. I'll probably sell 100,000 plus whatever my miners make at the top of this bull run. Then I'll also close my long-term leverage position, which again, guys, it is really which again, guys, my position, depending on where Casper is going, I've already told you guys, I think probably $10, I'll make quite a good chunk of change out of it. Enough money to keep me from, selling my spot positions on Casper. Okay, the same thing we can talk about Quant. A lot of people are telling you, oh, Quant is not doing this, Quant is not going that. But again, what did I tell you guys? A lot of people were expecting the FMOC meeting to drop both the crypto prices all the way down and everything crashing left and right. Look at the price of Casper. It took it like a champ. Bounced down, just like I told you guys. Normally everything normally happens like that. Price goes down and then bounce right back up. That's what usually happens. Look at Quant, same thing, bounce and then up. Look at Jasmine. As a matter of fact, I think Jasmine is gaining momentum as we speak. Okay, so yeah, you really have to look at those things that way. Don't let the fear of everybody grab you along. What I do, like I told you guys countless times, I have money on the side. If the market starts to go down, I scale up my positions. Or like a lot of people say out there, I add to my margin. That's what I do. Just add it, let your liquidation drop, and you don't have to worry about being liquidated. Guys, I might see my position go down 40, 50, 60%. I don't care, because guess what? Once it bounces, it is going to go up 500, 600, or even 1,000%. And you will not even remember that your position was down 20%. And that's what I was telling guys, like, listen, the FMOC meeting, go look at Casper chart. Look at it. You will see that every FMOC meeting usually be the start of a major run for Casper. And that's what you're about to see. For Quant, again, a lot of people are expecting the $40 Quant. And I can sit here and tell you, it ain't gonna happen. It is not gonna happen, because Quant, guys, Quant is building something out of the ordinary. Quant is connecting banks, is tokenizing asset. Quant is doing something that I don't know how to really explain this. Do you imagine something to rival the SWIFT system? Can you imagine that? Okay, everybody keep thinking banks are going away, and I keep saying it ain't happening. They are going to adapt, because guess what? A lot of people are having less and less faith on the fiat money. Okay, so people are going to move to digital money or crypto money. That's where people are going to move into. Okay, and that's where I'm telling you guys, like, guys, if you're not holding, if you just want to sell, like at the top of the bull, sell, buy you 10 coins and you'll be fine. But somebody like me, who does not want to trade my time for a paycheck. Okay, in the upcoming years, like in the upcoming years, like seriously guys, I do not want to work for nobody at the end of 2025. That's me. I don't want to work for nobody. And if you want to do that, guys, minimum is 100 quant will set you up. Guys, trust me, it will set you up. And then you have Jasmine. For me, Jasmine is sitting on my that's where I'm sitting at. Do I want to hold it long term? Excuse me. Do I want to hold it long term, or do I also want to have it as something to make a lot of money out of it in this coming bull run? You guys already know. I already showed it to you guys. I own like almost 800,000 Jasmine coin, and that's what I'm looking at. 800,000 Jasmine coin. Okay, let's look at their lockup. Is their lockup going to be monumental or not? Because everything depends on that. Let's look at their chain, Jasmine chain, the way it's working. The Japanese government already say they're adopting Jasmine, which is pretty good, right? But for me, it's more like quant. Quant, what they say is what they do. They don't just tell you one thing and do something else. For quant technology, you can see that the overlays life is getting used. You can see Enbrich's life is getting used. The only thing we're waiting for quant, which again, I cannot blame the quant team, is the regulation, stable coins regulations. Okay, we've already started getting the clarity, okay, on different governments. They're already showing us like, okay, this is where we're going with this. But once the stable coin policy comes out and gets approved, yeah, we will go to round 4, money. Right now we're on round 3, because like, hey, a lot of you who did not believe that I was telling you the truth, the FMOC meeting, the rate card are not going to a lot of you who did not believe when I said it yesterday or even day before yesterday that the rate cards are not going to crash the crypto market. As a matter of fact, they are going to pump it. That's what's going to happen. Give it some time, a few days, and you will see it has already started to react. Okay, it has already started to react. So yeah, everything depends on your own state of mind. Okay, if you FOMO out or if you FOMO in. If you want to wait for price confirmation, or if you want to sit on the sideline and be like, you know what, I don't know. Or if you want to be like me, I don't give a crap what the market does. My position, I get in, scale it up, make sure my liquidation don't get met. Okay, I think people that trade with the stop loss are beginners. If you want to keep on trading with stop loss, that's good with you, for you. Me, I don't use stop loss in my trades. I'm a straightforward hardcore trader. 50x, scale up, and there we go. So I stay in with my conviction. So like I was saying, everything depends on you. Okay, that's why it is important that in a bull run like this, you choose coins that are going to print money for you. You choose the winners. Like I said, us here, we chose King Casper, Quant, and Jasmine. And guys, if you think I'm wrong, let me know. So far, prove me wrong so far. I think I've been right so far. And I think I'm also going to be right in 10 to 12 months from now. So, guys, Casper just started. Be patient. I told you 3 months, actually having a month and a half from now. Just wait a month and a half from now. You will see. You will see how everything falls out in place just like a domino. That's what is going to happen. Okay, and I will sit here and tell you just like every time, I told you so. Anyways, come on, let's go look at the way the market reacted after the FMOC meeting. See if we are crashing or if everything is burning up on fire. So let's go look at the market right quick. Let's go here to my crypto bubbles. Voila. You see that? This is what I was telling you guys. Is the market crashing? See, I told you guys the rate cuts are not going to crash the market. That dip everybody's waiting for has already happened August 5th. The dip is not coming anymore. It's done for. So look at that on the daily. See, on the weekly, see, it's picking up. On the monthly, look at that. So yeah, everything is running just the way it's supposed to. But okay, let's go look at the coins that we are trading in this My Millionaire journey. Starting first with King Casper, right here. Look at that. Sideways action. Like I told you guys, it's going to happen. Getting ready for a major pump. First of all, look at that. We are almost at 18 cents. 0.56% up for the past hour. 0.08% up on the day. On the weekly, we have 2.8% up. On the month, look at that. On monthly, we got 8.1% up. And on the yearly, we are 251% up. Look at the quant. The coin everybody loves to hate. Look at this. Look at quant. Just like I told you guys. On the hour, 0.6% up. 4.4% up on the day. 2.3% up on the week. 17.9% up on the month. And look at the yearly, dropping again. Like I said, it's still red, but soon you're going to see this thing green, and we are now 19.6. We drop. It's dropping again. It's going. So let's look at Jasmine, my Japanese friends. JAS on Jasmine. Here, look at that. 0.58% up on the hour, 2% up on the day, 0.37% up on the week, 1.2% down on the month, and on the year we have 476% up on the year. Guys, see, I hate to say it, but yeah, I told you so. It's not going to drop, because every indicator, like I told you, for you to trade, you don't need rocket science. MACD, RSI, you look at your ribbon, your moving average ribbon, look at 21 or 200 moving average, and the general public. When everybody goes bearish, guys, you go bullish. That's exactly how I trade. Like everybody was saying, oh yeah, look at what happened when the stock market did this and the rate hikes and blah blah blah, it crashed. And I was telling you guys, it's not going to happen, because money, guys, money is going to start moving from the government bonds, the assets, into much more riskier assets like Bitcoin, like Casper, like Jasmine, like a quant. That's what is going to happen. But hopefully you did not make the mistake of selling your asset or closing your positions. Anyways, now let's go look at the price in a little much more details. Let's go here in my trading view. Let's go. Let's let that thing load up. There. We're gonna start first. No, I don't want to start with Jasmine. We're gonna wait. We gotta start with the King, Casper. King first. As you can see, Casper, yesterday, this is what I told you guys. Okay, remember when we were retesting the lows, and I was like, yeah, do not get worried about it, because everything else is pointing like Casper was going to come up. We are still into this triangle. Okay, we are on the 4 hour. So Casper came out during the FMOC meeting. Look at that, get supported by the ribbon, and now I'm expecting it to go ahead and break this resistance up here at the 17.2, 17.3. That's what I'm expecting this to do. So it looks like it's lagging back a little bit, because we are almost, like you can see, price came above almost 17. Is retesting it. Okay, we are retesting this right now. If you go on the 1 hourly, let's go on the 1 hour right quick. Look at that, such beautiful trend right there. Let me zoom in a little bit. Look at that. Let me zoom in. That for me is a double bottom. As you can see, double bottom on the 1 hour. Look, first bottom, up, second bottom. Now we're trying the resistance to try to break up, and here we are going to have when price breaks above that 17.4, it's a done deal. Everything points like Casper is about to run. Look at the ribbon pointing upwards. The moving average is pointing upwards too. Again, I can't even stress this much more than this. So like you can see, everything is lining up. If I check it on the daily, look on the daily, look at that, such beautiful chart. Even on the daily, look, see, we're back in the triangle. Okay, it's retrying. It is trying right now, they're both triangles. So let's see if this candle closes right on the day and then the next one opens above and starts to shoot up. Like yesterday or the day before yesterday, we saw it go up to almost 18.2 or 18.3 cents on the dollar. But yeah, you guys, I'm saying it again, this thing is about to take off. Okay, so let's go look at quant right quick. Quant QNT right quick. USDT on Binance. Look at that. Would you look at that on the daily? Again, same thing. I told you guys this was not going down. Okay, we came down. Okay, it went up, the bull flag. Okay, we are still forming this gigantic bull flag. That's what we're still forming right now on the daily. Okay, if you extend this line, look at that, you can extend this line right there, and then you can take this line. Like I said, we are just gonna have to see where it breaks out. Okay, that's what we are waiting for. You can take this one right there. See, it is forming a gigantic bull flag, and again, when this flag breaks, it is going to take quant to $95 straight. There's no two ways about it. And again, look at that today. Let's go on a little bit. Let's go on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, 1 hour right there. Come on. 1 hour right there. See, this was with the FMOC meeting. A lot of people were waiting, and again, on the 1 hour, it has already started to go. Like I told you guys, this is something that most traders are not looking at. This was during the FMOC meeting, and I told you guys what will happen. The price usually go down a little bit first and then take off from there. Thanks to that, first of all, by the time we hit the FMOC, all the indicators like the MACD, the RSI, the ribbon, everything is down. So yeah, there's no more further downwards force, and it will start going up. So look at that. See, now we already shut up. Look at the ribbon, guys. You see the ribbon has already started switching color. See, that tells you. And even on the 1 hour, you can see we broke above that resistance on the bull flag already. So I'm expecting this thing to come back and retest it, and then off we go. Quant is gone to $95 in the upcoming weeks. For let's give it 2-3 weeks or something like that, you're about to see quant at $95. Now you go look at the 4 hours right quick. On the 4 hours, again, look at that. See, the moving average, 200 moving average, is starting its journey up. Look at the ribbon, it's already flipping, it's curving, it's already curving upwards, and we are right now hugging the resistance of the bull flag. That's what we are hugging right now. There is no two ways about this. This thing is about to take off. Again, if you're bearish on quant, I don't know exactly what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Now, go look again. I usually show you guys this chart. I like to go on the weekly because a lot of people, give me a second. Let me restart this again. Okay, let me restart this again. Because it kind of got clustered up. A lot of people still they don't understand it. Most people say, okay, oh nah, it's just a fake out, oh it's this and that, and I keep telling you guys, quant is gone. Anyways, let's look at quant again, just one last chance. QNT, USDT here on Binance. QNT US, come on, USDT, there you go, Binance. Okay, now I'm going to take it on the weekly here. Second week now, look at that, green. That's something else I want to show you guys. Second week, green. Now this week I'm expecting quant to close above the resistance. Okay, I'm expecting quant to close above the resistance of 85 thereabout. Okay, this week I'm expecting that. So we're probably gonna see quant go back 85, 78 to 85 dollars. But now another thing that I always like to show you guys is this. If you zoom out, I did draw the fib retracement all the way from the all-time high of quant to the all-time low, and everything gives me the resistance and the targeting prices. We have a very, very important resistance at $104, and once we get above that, quant is gone for real. But here everything else points to this major price right here at the $125 quant. That's the whole, all this play you're looking at right now. That's what it is pointing out for, because the quant is heading up that way. So guys, here it's a symmetrical triangle with the support and resistance. Once price break above this, confirm it and then take off from there. But the immediate short-term price for quant before the end of the year, or even a couple weeks from now, let's say 3-4 weeks, is gonna be right here, $125. That's what we're heading for. So now let's go look at Jasmine right quick, because again, Jasmine is beginning to turn heads. A lot of people who were expecting less than a cent. That's what happens. Now look at that, Jasmine on the weekly, guys. Look at that. If I zoom out, look at that. On the weekly, we broke above the falling wedge already. Look at that. We broke above the falling wedge on the week. This is what we're waiting for. For me, I'm waiting for price to confirm above the 2.3 cents. That's what I'm waiting for. So if you go on the 4 hours, let's go on the 4 hourly. Look at that. Came down. I don't think this is a normal confirmation, but I think we can take that as a confirmation, because like right now, as you can see, the ribbon is curving upwards. Price is breaking above the ribbon, going to retest the 200 moving average. So yeah, I think this may be the move we are waiting for. For me, I'm still waiting for 2.3 cents price confirmation. If you go on the 1 hour, let's see, 1 hourly. Wow, look at that. This is much more better. Look at that. Price broke above the moving ribbon. It's already turning green. Broke above the 200 moving average, and we're gone. Yeah, I think this is the price confirmation we were waiting for, and we're about to see Jasmine go and conquer that 2.3 cents. Okay, now once we get above the 2.3 cents, guys, the next point, excuse me, once Jasmine gets above 2.3 cents, the next point is going to be that 4.5 cents is the target of the falling wedge, because it's the origin, is the start of that falling wedge. And you guys already know falling wedges are very, very bullish patterns. And in case of Jasmine, we have 2 in 1. We have that bull flag that had a fake out, and then we have a falling wedge. Falling wedge is 4.5 cents, but the bull flag target is around 10 to 11 cents, and you guys are about to see it. So now let's go right quick and look at my positions. But before we do that, guys, I do not condone leverage trading if you do not know what you're doing, because you can lose your money easily. Okay, but if you do know what you're doing, I do have my links below, which are Femex and BYD-Fi. You sign up, okay, meet their requirements, their deposit requirements. Once you do, you get your free money and start trading. You can follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. That part I really don't care. What I care about is that in 10 to 12 months from now, you will be with me somewhere in Dubai celebrating this the beginning of this millionaire journey. Anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. First with my BYD-Fi, right there. See that? I'm holding now. Yesterday I think I was like what, 12,002 or 12,000, like close to 12,000, something like that. As you can see right now, my position, I'm almost $13,000 right there. It has started to move. $13,000. Now let's go look at my my contracts right away. On the contracts, you see quant. My quant, I am up today 30%, which is 2,200. Look at my Casper. My Casper, I am up today 11% from break even that I was yesterday. I'm up 11% today. So, which is equal to almost $400. Again, guys, this is just the beginning, because Casper, my take profit is going to be $10. And at $10, this thing will make me almost $600,000. Okay. But yet, we'll monitor the market. If it doesn't get to $10 and the market is topping out, then yeah, we'll close it. If not, we'll keep it going. But everything points that Casper is going to hit $10. Now, at Quant, like I said, on my Quant, I believe Quant is going to go above $5,000. So by the time this thing hits $5,000, this position will make me $1.2 million. Just like I said, it will happen. So again, we will monitor the market, see how things go, but I'm expecting Quant to start running hard in a month and a half from now. Now let's go look at my other positions, which are on Femex. Okay, let's go to Femex right quick. This one I need to sign in right there. See that? Yesterday I was less than dead. This is funny, but my overall today, as you can see, I am up 14,100. It is growing. Looking at my contracts, you see here my Jasmine, I'm still down 21%, 2,400. Yesterday was like what, 3,000 something, but it's still the same. Okay, if you look at this again, I tell you guys, you got to pay attention to all this stuff. First target, 4.5 cents. This thing will make me $18,000. Second target 10 cents. This thing will make me $63,000. Third target, 15 cents. This thing will make me $104,000. The main resistance I've been telling you guys about for weeks, which is 20 cents. This thing will make me $146,000. Now my target for this bull run is 60 cents, which my profit should be $477,000. Now if the lockup goes crazy, and like a lot of people are expecting $5 to $10, which again I don't think I'm expecting that. I'm expecting 60 cents. But if it goes above, let's go to $1. If it goes to $1, let's see, I keep it open until it hits that $1, that will be $807,000. Again, I'm ready for my money. Now let's look at my Casper. Again, Casper, I told you guys we are going to see 40 cents pretty soon. Okay, at 40 cents, this thing will make me $14,000. Now exchange listings, they already started to heat up. Okay, exchange listing and development is about to push this thing to $1. $1, we're about to see it. This position will make me $50,000. Again, FOMO, people are going to start FOMOing in once the development starts to take a track. A lot of DeFi project and all that stuff. So I think probably by January or February we should have Casper at $2. Okay, at $2, this position will make me that $110,000. Okay, but yet this position I will keep on taking profits to scale up the rest of them, and then open up again, and I'll keep you guys updated how everything is going. There you have it. A lot of people expecting the FMOC to crash the market, and I told you guys it wasn't gonna happen. Now you guys ready for this? Pay attention to the upcoming few weeks. You're about to see your positions like really skyrocket. That being said, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Share, comment. I will reply to your comments, as many as possible. And please, that being said, again, if you know, you know. Keep on this project, guys. We're about to make a lot of money out of it. Just, it's a state of mind. Don't let anybody else mislead you. Okay, it's a state of mind. Quant, Casper, Jasmine, they are about to make you a lot of money. Trust me when I tell you this. Not financial advice. I'm only showing you what I am doing.